Hey guys, are solar panels that you plug into your regular house outlet legit or not? Let's go check it out. Okay, this is the area I planned on putting these in. So nice, so it's just kind of a wide area, but it gets a lot of sun here. And yeah, so let's take these things out of the boxes. They came for these on the crate here. All right, let's talk about this Mango Power S series. So this is a next generation residential microinverter platform. It's basically designed to make your home solar systems more efficient, flexible, and easier to manage. So at the heart of every one of these Mango Power S solution is a differentiated single stage cyclo topology microinverter technology. This is delivering industry leading efficiency, intelligent communication, and a long-term reliability. So here's some of the features that we have for this Mango Power S microinverter. The all-range high efficiency, 97% CEC weighted efficiency. It features a 99.9% MPP tracking efficiency. They all have the Wi-Fi mesh communication, panel level monitoring through the Mango Power app, independent microinverter operation. As far as like being outdoors, they feature an IP68 NEMA type 6P outdoor protection. So basically waterproof. Real-time operating data is through the app, multi-device monitoring. So you can hook up multiples of these. And they also feature a 25-year warranty, which is pretty crazy. Built on the same technology platform, the Mango Power currently offers 3 application scenarios. They have the 120 volt plug and play solar, which is basically what this is, 240 volt residential solar, and then the home solar and energy storage, which would have like a battery backup and things like that. So the Smart Gateway Lite further extends the platform by adding whole home monitoring and intelligent energy management. So let's talk about the Mango Power Smart Gateway Lite. While the Mango Power S converts the solar energy, the Smart Gateway Lite manages how that energy is used throughout the home. Gateway Lite is much more than an anti-backflow device. So this attaches basically on by your breaker where the main power comes in, and it monitors that. Can instantly shut off, well, within a few milliseconds, the power flow. So there's no backflow if the power goes out and people are working on the lines. It also continuously monitors the household electricity consumption. It's showing you basically how many watts you're using, how much is coming from the solar, how much is coming from the grid. It closely monitors the solar generation, the grid import and export, and overall household power flow. Using dual 200 amp CT sensors, the Gateway Lite coordinates the output of Mango Power S microinverters based on real-time household demand, helping reduce reverse power flow and supporting zero export control where required. Some of the key features of this are a 200 amp whole home monitoring, 250 millisecond high precision anti-backflow response. So if the power goes out, it's just shutting down those microinverters, shutting off the energy coming in from the solar panels. So there's no backflow to the guys working on the line. So that's closed down immediately. It features zero export support. So this isn't going back onto the grid. It can shut that down. Dynamic output adjustment, solar and household load matching, power flow visualization, so you can see where everything's going. Manage the Mango Power app integration and the Wi-Fi mesh communication. So this will also communicate with your microinverters, so it works seamlessly. This package that I got right here is the Mango Power S plug and play solar 1200 watt kit. So it's a complete 120 volt plug-in solar solution, and it's designed for quick and flexible residential installation, which this is pretty easy to do. You just set them up. I got the 4 panels there, hook up the microinverters. Okay, so I installed the Mango Power gateway right here on my electrical panel, and I hardwired the power wires into the circuit panel there. And then it has these 2 clamps that go over your main wires that come to the house. They just kind of clasp around the wire. You don't have to tap into them or anything like that. And that allows this to monitor the power going in. So this is very important. So it will prevent backflow. It can communicate with the microinverters right away and shut down the power coming in, so there's no problems with energy going back on the grid when it's shut down. So this is very helpful, and it's one of the bigger concerns that people have when using plug-in solar. So this eliminates that problem. No backflow, and it communicates excellently with your microinverters and gives you all the information you need on the app. So it's very easy to install, and it's very helpful. This is best suited for backyards, patios, balconies, gardens, decks, things like that. I just put them up on the side of my house here. The MSRP for this is $2,689. It's available through the Mango Power official website. I'll link that in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Okay, let's finish this assembly here. Just attach the little legs to the bottom of the solar panel. That's just 2 screws on each one. And then we're going to attach our microinverter, and we're good to go. Nothing complicated. All those snap in, and then we can clean this up with some other zip ties here. Okay, this wire right here just plugs into all those. It goes down to the next one and plugs in there. And then we plug that in over here. We'll see. So yeah, just plug your plus and minuses into those, and then plug this one into there. So it's flashing red a couple times, meaning it's got hasn't been connected to the grid yet. The microinverters on here are basically the brains of your solar panel. You plug in all your things in there. They convert the energy from DC to AC, and these have a 97% conversion efficiency. So instead of losing more power, it only 3% from DC to AC is lost because of the heat conversion. So these can handle up to 500 watts each. They have the little light on there that tells you basically if there's an issue with anything or how the connection is. And they also connect wirelessly to your Mango Power gateway, which is very nice. Okay, friends, so here we go. We're checking out the Mango Power app here. And as we can see, we have the power coming in. It's a little overcast today, a little foggy, but there's a little bit of sun coming in. So right now we got 250 watts coming in. We got 451 off the grid, 251 from solar, and the house is using 701. And I like how it breaks it down. So today's total generation was 41 kilowatt hours. We can go over to here. We can see the solar on broken down by the day, by the week, by the month. All the things that we know. Consumption, quite a bit higher than, of course, than like what's coming in on the solar and things like that, where we can highlight all these different ones. We can go to devices here. We can check out our gateway light, and this is where you can really see a lot of the information on here. Line 1 voltage, 126.5, current 5.2 amps. So a lot of technical information on here if you guys are looking at that kind of stuff. Let's go back to this. We have that's the gateway. So the inverters, we can check out each individual solar panel. It's going to tell you how much power they're making and producing and everything like that. The volt, the current, DC, AC power production, and then check out each one like that. So go to the energy, that breaks it down. Hey, cat. So we had a pretty sunny day, and we almost got 6 kilowatt hours of electricity there in that day. So that's really good. I'm hoping that this will help like lower my power bill a little bit. So that's pretty nice. We can check out our array. So the way I have these set up, I found like north where it's pointing, and then it's telling me each individual solar panel here, like how many watts they're putting out. So that is cool. But right now the sun's right about over there and shining kind of on the sideways here. So we got the panel on or offline. The setup was pretty simple. It just took me probably about an hour or so. Most of it was like mainly just like doing the unboxing. Worked pretty good, just plug and play. Got the auto backfeed shut off setup also, so everything's working really good. I like the app. It's super user friendly. I like how it shows like how much energy I got coming in, how much each solar panel is using, so it kind of takes all the guesswork out of it. So yeah guys, if you want to check this out, I'll link it in the description below. Great little device here. You don't have to throw it up on your roof or anything like that. Yeah, Thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time. So guys, I just got my power bill, and so you can see here it's at $313.61, and last month was $393.83. And so this is from July 15th to August 14th. I did these solar panels on about the 2nd, so almost 2 weeks of use. And my power bill is down by about $80. So that's good news.